Hi, I'm your vehicle's well-wisher and engine's protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today, I'm going to show how to keep your headlights clean and illuminated brighter with Magsol Headlight Restorer. Over time, car headlights turn yellow, hazy and dull due to constant exposure to sunlight, heat, rain and pollution, reducing night visibility and affecting driving confidence. Ensure headlights are clean and cool. Apply product on a sponge or cloth. Rub evenly on the outer surface. Wipe clean with a dry microfiber cloth. Headlights look clearer and brighter, improving nighttime visibility and making the front of the vehicle look newer and better maintained. Use when headlights appear cloudy or before night or highway driving.